Hey, hi, and welcome. It's Megan here. Today I'm going to be doing my monthly reset kind of routine. I always do like a monthly reset, but I don't always do it in one day. And I am not always strategic with kind of the flow of things and making sure my month is like super planned. So that's what I'm going to be doing this month. And I figured I'd take you guys along with me. So if you like these kind of videos, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into it.
Special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
Thank you for choosing Shop. This is Jensen. What can I get for you?
Hi, do you have the bacon and Gruyere egg bites?
I do.
Can I have an order of those? And then, let's see. Can I also have a grande ice shaken espresso with oat milk and vanilla?
Yeah, anything else for you?
Nope, that's all.
10:09.
Okay, thank you.
And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright.
I've gotten my egg bites and my Starbucks, so now I'm sitting with my laptop and I'm getting ready to import all of my work schedule into my Google Calendar, and then I'll also fill in what days I want to upload YouTube videos. I'm trying to do better about putting everything in one calendar instead of having multiple calendars, and I'll let you guys know how this like process works for me. So let's do that.
Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the
Okay, so basically, as you can see, my work schedule is pretty, it actually looks pretty decent this time. A lot of these Saturdays are off. Most of the time, it looks a lot different from this, so I'm excited about it. But I'm just going to pull up my new tracker as like video. These are all my video ideas that I think I want to do for the month. I'm trying to post 3 videos a week, and I have them color coded. So what I want to do now is have like Sundays be kind of my healthier or lifestyle kind of videos. So like the resets, the grocery hauls, if I do like a workout or something like that, that kind of video would be on Sunday. And then on Wednesday, I want to do just a general vlog. And so this month, I really want to try to do like a cute fall day. I want to decorate my apartment a little bit more. Of course, productive kind of work vlogs. So those kind of vlogs would be on Wednesday, or like a weekend in my life, general vlogs. And then on Fridays, I kind of want to do like fashion Fridays because I want to get back more into posting like try on hauls and styling different things like I used to. So that's what the Fridays would be. So I figured if I color coded, I can get this executed. So I'm excited to see kind of how it turns out.
morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah.
Okay, let's log into the bank account. Oh my gosh, Mom, this is horrible. It's literally like Starbucks, Taj
Ooh,
Indie.
you look like a little fat girl.
Not a fat. I do not look fat. The Little Donkey, Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, Chipotle again.
Oh, that was your birthday.
Yeah, Chipotle again, Chipotle again, Chipotle again, Taco Bell. Oh my God. Why is Chipotle on there like 50 million times? Like, I mean, I know I'd be going there, but I didn't know it was that much.
Were you serious? All those were Chipotle?
Yeah, another Chipotle, Insomnia cookies, Chipotle again.
Okay, I just want to know how many Chipotles you got in 1 month.
I'm embarrassed. I'm turning the camera off. I can't. I put some final touches on my YouTube video that I wanted to post for today. When I was on the phone with my mom and I was telling her about like my goals and stuff, she was asking me about my budget. You know, I was telling her I was filming this video. And so we were on the phone talking about my budget. Oh my gosh, you guys, it was so bad. Like, I've spent so much money this past month in September on like crazy stuff. Like, I went to Chipotle 7 times, which I mean makes sense, but I feel like that's a bit excessive. So yeah, I'm just like, that's crazy. So mainly the only few things that I have left that I really want to do are like my goal setting, and I also really want to vacuum.
Yeah, like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Me and you. We can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, and don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily, we're free to be first class, riding casually, yeah, yeah. I wanna know it.
Okay, so I just thought about like dusting. So I have this Swiffer little dust thing, and I'm gonna do my ceiling fan. I honestly always forget to do this, so this is the perfect time to do it because I definitely probably don't do it every month, but I know I need to. So I'm just gonna dust a little bit, some of the main places up around like TV, ceiling fans, stuff like that, and then I'll go wipe out the washing machine and dryer since the washing machine just finished its cycle. I'm done vacuuming. It looks so good. Like, I love when I clean a little bit. It just makes me happy, so.
Tonight, I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family.
So here is my bowl that I made for dinner. All the rice and beans and stuff are down at the bottom, and then the lettuce is just on top. I usually mix it up together, and I forgot I was still filming today, or I would have made it really pretty for you guys. But I show you guys me making it on my most recent What I Eat in a Day if you're like interested in seeing it in a cuter way. And right now I'm watching Queen Sugar. I'm on season 5. And I'm taking a break from Married at First Sight for just like, probably just a little while. Okay, so I'm finally ready to do my movement for the day. When I don't really feel like working out, recently I've got into just dancing. So I'll pull up a dance workout, or I'll pull up like Dance Central videos on YouTube and pretend like I'm playing my Xbox like when I was younger. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I may do it for 15 minutes, I may do it longer. I mean 30 minutes, I may do it longer. We're just gonna see how it goes. So let's go. I'm getting ready for bed. This is my little nightgown from Target. I love these. Oh my gosh. Like, yes. I'm about to just write in my journal and kind of write down my goals for the month of October. And then I'm going to go to sleep. So let's get to writing those goals. Writing those goals. And I don't know why I always have this much energy super late. I just want you guys to know it's like midnight. Don't ask. You guys, so I just finished my goals for the month of October. So I'll go over a few of them with you. So I put them into like 3 different categories. I did health and fitness, social media, and other. So for the health and fitness, I really want to do 30 minutes of movement daily. I want to lose 5 pounds. I want to eat out max 8 times in the entire month. That's super hard for me. So that includes like getting food delivered, going out to eat, going to pick up food. We'll see how it goes. And then sleeping minimum 6 hours every night. That's also very hard for me. Sometimes I get like 3 hours of sleep, 4 hours of sleep. So we're really gonna try it, okay? The next one is social media. So I wanna grow on Instagram and TikTok. I wanna grow those to 2,000 followers. If it's more than that, that'll be great. But that's like my goal for this month of October. And also, I really want to grow my just overall monetary, I guess, just money side of like the social media platform. So like with the ads on the videos and making like different, like, I guess, affiliate links and different stuff. I want to grow that, you know, basically be strategic with the side hustle. I don't have like a specific number in mind, but I just want it to grow. So that'll be awesome. And then I also want to be really consistent on all of my social media platforms. So on YouTube, my goal this month is post 3 videos a week. On Instagram, my goal is post every single day. And then on TikTok, I really kind of want to post a TikTok every day, but for now, my goal is just at least posting every other day on TikTok. So those are my social media goals. And then other is just to read one whole book. I don't read as much as I used to. Like, I used to be someone who read all the time, and I just don't do it anymore. So I really want to get back into reading, and not like an article or an audio book or something like that. Like, I actually want to read an actual book. So I'm gonna go get me some books, or I may go to the library. We'll just see what happens. And I'm sure there's like some other things, but those are just the main goals that I thought of right at this moment and that I really want to focus on. So if you feel comfortable, let me know down in the comments below what are some of your goals. I'm so tired. I guess I should be, you know? All right. Good night. I hope you have a great night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. All right? I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I did this, because now I got to get back up and turn the lights off and turn the camera off. Like, this is not what I was supposed to do. And I gotta put something on my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, and I gotta say bye to you guys. Oh my, oh my gosh. Okay, let me get back up. All right. So that was the end of this monthly reset. I think I did everything that I needed to do. I feel great. I feel really good about this month. I feel great. I actually even exercised, which is jump starting my month. So we're doing fabulous. So I wish you the best on your month of October. If you haven't done like a reset, that's totally fine. You don't have to. Definitely just at least write down 1 or 2 goals that you want to set for the month of October and get up and move for at least, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. You can do my 30 minutes, but move around if you haven't already. And yeah, that is the end of the video. I'm gonna let you guys go so I can go to sleep. You can do whatever it is you're doing right now. Eating dinner, lunch. Maybe you're about to go to sleep too. Maybe you're working out. I don't know. Let me just end the video. I'm sorry. I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.